Since the arrival of the SARS-CoV pandemic, which has brought so much trouble to the world population, the European Union since March 17 and the head of the Charles Michel and Ursula von der Leyen has mounted a global response aimed at mitigating the pandemic. Numerous actions have been taken. On March 14, the Commission adopted a specific entity to regulate global sports. On April 14, this same Commission reduced the export authorization requirements for protective masks only and would expand geographic and humanitarian expansion. Many countries in the current situation are adopting similar protocols, uh, all aimed at global protection, preventing the spread of the virus. However, it is made clear that all these politics are dynamic and that they vary according to the circumstance of the virus. Thanks.